touch that 5 for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I touch the 5 for you. I thought I liked you, that bitch I do it all. I won't cry, you scared it. I'm not. Long as you joking, now answer me. I ain't got it. I've been scheming through it. Hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Sweet Life of Shana. You know it's a girl Shana, of course. Welcome back. So guys, today we're making Bailey's fruit cake. So just stay tuned and let's bake. So my mini baker is right here. Say hi, KK.
Hi, I'm baking cake. It's yummy.
So we're baking this cake for our purpose, for home. So Kaylee decided to take the lead and bake. This is our wet ingredient she's mixing up. So Kaylee, you're mixing?
Yeah, mixing.
Yes guys, so stay tuned for more. So this is the finish of the Bailey's fruit cake. So I will see you in an hour when it's out of the oven.
Tastes good, Papa.
The cake is good?
You want to try push it over?
Delicious.
Share the cake with anybody?
Yes.
Who you share it with?
With
Alright, you eat now.
Okay, guys, we're so excited about the new thing. This is the Bailey's fruitcake coming this Christmas. So place your orders. Listen, man, I can't wait. These are the testers and I can't wait to try it. Yum, yum. So if you want to try, make sure you place your order on Cocoa Puff Catering. Check us out on Instagram and all of our DM us on WhatsApp. Cocoa Puff Catering. Check it out. We're on Instagram and Facebook. All right. This is a new product launching this Christmas. It is the Bailey's fruitcake. Yes.
Yes guys, we have come to the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. As you guys can see, that was our Bailey's fruit cake. And you heard our mini vlogger. It is delicious. It tastes good, and I also taste it myself, and it tastes really good. Texture and moisture and everything on point. I'm not lying. So go check out Cocoa Puff Catering on Instagram. It will be down in my description below. So remember to put in your order. Yes, go order. It tastes good. Yes, so remember to like, subscribe, comment, tell a friend to subscribe to the Sweet Life of Shana. See you guys in the next video. Bye.